Now from child pose, sit on your heels and lean forward, lie down on your belly. Chin resting on the mat, palms facing out to the side of the body, just taking a few moments here as you breathe in and out. Now from here, bring your hands right next to you or next to your chest. Toes pressing down into the mat. Now slowly lift yourself up, using your palms to push your body away from the mat. Belly remains on the ground, you're only lifting your chest. From here, come onto your elbow, placing it right in front of your chest. Slowly walk your elbow in towards you. Palms pressing down into the mat in a straight line with your shoulders. Roll your shoulders back, lifting it up. We'll stay in Sphinx Pose for a few breaths. Take a deep breath in and exhale out. Breathing in, breathing out. Just staying here. 3 more breaths. Keep looking forward, your chin lifted, shoulders rolled back, legs engaged. Breathe in and out. 1 more deep breath in, breathe in. And out. Slowly exhale, bring your chin down to the mat. Now bring your hands to the side of your body. And from here, bend your knees. Lifting your ankle up. From here, what you're going to do is use your hands to press down on your feet and lifting yourself up. So keep pressing your foot towards your body or your hips as you lift your chest up. Stay here for 5, 4, engage your back muscles here, 3, keep lifting your chest up, 2, 1, exhale, slowly release down. Release your hands, release your legs, back down to the mat. Chin resting on the mat. Breathe in and out here. Now once again, bend your knees. Now we'll go into a full bow pose here. Now use your hands to grab the outside of your ankle. Now with an inhalation, as you lift your chin and your chest off the ground, use your hands to pull your ankle up so you're lifting your thighs off the ground. Keep lifting it up higher, staying here as if you're balancing on your belly here for 3, 2, 1. Exhale back down, bring your thighs down, chest, chin down to the mat. Breathe in and out here for a few seconds. We'll do 2 more rounds of this and hold the posture for a longer period of time. Now with the next inhalation again, lifting your chin off the ground, lifting your chest, using your hands to pull your thighs off the ground. Keep lifting it up higher. Stay here, balancing on your belly. For 3, 2, 1, exhale down. Breathe in and out here. We'll do 1 more round of this and we'll hold the pose for 5 breaths this time. Prepare yourself. Now with the next inhalation, lifting your chin off the ground, chest off the ground. Use your hands, pull your ankle up, thighs off the ground. Stay here for 5, engage your back muscles. 4, keep pulling it up higher. 3, 2, good. 1, and exhale, slowly release. Release your hands, release your feet down to the mat. From here, bring your elbows to the front. Now grab your elbows with your hand and slowly walk your elbows back, as close as possible towards your body. Keep your legs engaged, toes pressing down into the mat. Now from here, release your right hand to the side and slowly inhale, exhale, look over to your right hand side and stay here. Just breathing in and out. Roll your shoulders back, lifting your chest. Keep pulling your right shoulder to the back. 3, 2, 1. Slowly inhale, come back to the center. And switch to the other side. Bring your left hand to the side. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, twist, turn, look to the back. Roll your shoulders back. Keep pulling your left shoulder to the back, lifting your chest. Keep looking to the back. Stay here. You're working on your back muscles here, your lower back, so this is also a back bend. And just staying here as you breathe in and out through the spine. 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back to the center. Hold your elbows here with your hands and walk your elbows further in towards your body. And again, we'll just stay here. Release your hands again in Sphinx. Keep lifting yourself up higher. Your belly remains on the ground. You're only working on your back here. So roll your shoulders back, lifting your chest up higher. And just stay here. Take a deep breath in and out as you exhale. Feel the inhalation and exhalation as you breathe in, going all the way down to your lower back, and as you exhale, all the way up. Keep looking forward, roll your shoulders back. Stay here. With an exhalation, slowly straighten your hands. Bring yourself back down, forehead down to the mat. Now slowly lift your forehead off the mat. Now bring your hands to the side of your chest. Lifting your chest up. Push your hips back into child pose. Counterbalance here. Lengthen your back. Ease the pain from your lower back, the stretch.